Hey guys, Lan back again with the second part of this intro to PvP video. This one is going to cover where you find things. So in the last one we showed you how to set up everything, like where your reward tracks are, where where you build your stuff. So yeah, we covered a couple things. We covered your currency in this, your PvP tickets, your ascended shards, and then there's regular shards of glory that you get just randomly throughout. So today we're just going to show you where these vendors are. So you start in the PvP lobby. You'll come over here to the market waypoint, which, as you can see, if it's your first time here, you'll just have to run over there. So a couple things. The tickets and the ascended shards come from ranked PvP. So if you're new to this, this is probably just a good reference for you, but you won't be there yet. Like, you need to work your way through unranked and get familiar before you start doing this. But there's a good payoff for you for learning it, because once you progress through that ranked track, which we talked about is the league track here, you start really getting a good payoff. So there's the waypoint, and you come over here to these 4 vendors. There's your tournament vendor, a standard league vendor, ascended armor, and ascended weapons. Your ascended league, or your regular league vendor, is where you do all the legendary backpack items, skins, heroic notaries and things like that, and then relics once you unlock them. And then you'll come over here to the ascended armor, and as you can see, the price is a little hefty on some of these. Shards of glory are easy to come by. Ascended shards you get in the chests at the end of the ranked thing, and same with the PvP tickets. The marks are a bit harder to even come by. Like, you can buy the recipe to make them, but you also get them in the chests. Like, you don't get it in the cerulean chest, but you do get it in like the Jasper one, and the others as well. So like, the rewards get progressively better the more you play ranked. But the challenge is a lot there too. Like, the people that are playing it know what they're doing. So just, take that with what you will. So you can do legendary components, skins. Same with the weapon vendors. They're a little bit easier to get, but not by much. Here's where you make the marks, and then obsidian weapons too once you get that far. So yeah, there's where all the ticketed vendors are. You'll come here, you have a merchant, trading post, a laurel vendor, and then you come back here and you have the bank. So pretty much everything you're gonna need over here, and then you have like your standard weapon vendors, and then a hero challenge vendor. This is mainly for world versus world stuff. So on top of the market here, we have like the training ground, which we'll go to next. This is where you can practice on stationary targets about some rotations and stuff that you want to do. So yeah, just basic stuff. Kind of DPS check how you're doing. I'm playing a support class, so that's not going to work. So yeah, you can do all that here. And there is a small arena over here. Whoops. Really gotta go over here to get out of combat. There we go. Alright, so we'll come over to here to the arena. This is a good place to kind of like low-key check how you do against other players without actually committing to a ranked or unranked match. I usually like to hang out here and just goof around with people until, yeah, so as you can see, you'll come in here and you can just screw around with people and just kind of go hard with them. And it's kind of low stakes. And, you know, as you can see there, people are pretty friendly. Like they're all here to test too, so. So we'll just screw around a little bit while we're waiting. Yeah, so. As you can see, they like the trash in here too. This is standard PvP stuff, unfortunately. So yeah, that'll be the arena. Pretty low stakes stuff. That's really it for this section of where you like find stuff. It's pretty simple, but just kind of showing you around Hearts of the Mist. So, yep, stay tuned for our next video, where I'll probably walk you through the actual matches and show some gameplay and stuff. I'm a Necromancer main, so it may not apply to any of you except for Necromancers, but we'll try to cover like the basic stuff. I'll take you through a conquest game, a stronghold game, and then a push game, so you kind of get a feel of what to look for in those, so you're not going in blind. All right, well, I appreciate you guys.